All right, here's something kinda controversial. Spreadsheets, they're where good ideas go to die. When you are managing just yourself, a Google Sheet works fine. But then the team grows, and suddenly it becomes a mess. Updates are outdated, nobody is aligned, and honestly, it feels like you are working hard but not really moving forward. That's when it makes sense. Businesses don't win just by pumping out more products or chasing random numbers. They win when everyone's rowing in the same direction. So if not spreadsheets, what does it take to win? Today, this video will walk you through 5 objectives and key results software, aka OKR software, we swear by. These tools can actually help you align your team, get focus back, and hit those ambitious goals without the chaos. Let's jump in. Okay, first up, we have a personal favorite, ClickUp. And we'll be real with you. ClickUp can feel overwhelming, but in a good way, like the first time you walked into Costco. Everything you need to get your work done is right there. You can set big objectives, break them down into smaller targets, and actually track progress, all in one place. With ClickUp's ready-to-use OKR template, you can organize and track your goals by priority department progress and timeline. No more drowning in work sprawl, juggling a million spreadsheets or tabs. And here's what really sets ClickUp apart. ClickUp Brain, the world's most complete and contextual work AI. It actually suggests OKRs for you based on what your team's working on. So if you're running a campaign, it might say, hey, this could be a great goal. If you want one tool to run your whole team's work life, ClickUp's got your back. Now, if you're more of a visual person, or your team likes to see how individual goals connect to the big picture, Mooncamp is for you. They have this helpful strategy tree feature. You can use it to draw your goals out like a family tree. At the top, you've got the big objective, and underneath you can see exactly how every department and person's goals ladder up. It's instant clarity. Now, no one needs to ask, wait, how does my work connect to the bigger picture? Questions. Mooncamp makes it super obvious. And honestly, that's half the battle when you're trying to align people. The only limitation is that the mobile experience isn't as smooth as the desktop, so plan your reviews accordingly. Alright, this next tool's basically Netflix disguised as software asking, are you still watching? Instead of setting goals and forgetting about them until the end of the quarter, Weekdone keeps you checking in every week. You and your team look at progress, make tweaks, and stay on track. Plus, there's a fun leaderboard where teammates can give each other shoutouts. It sounds simple, but as you know, those little boosts are super motivating. But the free plan supports only up to 3 people. And while goal setting is simple, crafting specific OKRs can be trickier. The next one on our list, Asana, isn't actually an OKR tool. It's a full-blown project management app, but that's what makes it great. Since most goals ultimately turn into tasks, Asana makes it easy to connect your big objectives to real projects. You can also watch progress in real time. And if your team's already using Asana, you don't need to add another tool. Just layer your OKRs right in. Where Asana can feel a little limiting is that it's more task-focused than strategy-focused. If Mary Poppins had a briefcase for managing teams, it would probably look a lot like PeopleBox. PeopleBox does all the usual OKR stuff, alignment, dashboards, progress tracking, but it also helps you build a culture around your goals with built-in one-on-one agendas, automated updates, and even insights on how aligned your team feels. However, with PeopleBox, there is a bit of a learning curve at the start, and since they only offer annual plans, you don't get the flexibility of a monthly option. Alright, that's it for today. Those were the 5 best OKR software apps, each of which has their own strengths and quirks. But if you're looking for one place to keep everything together, your goals, your projects, your tasks, ClickUp is the one that really does it all. Check it out for free at clickup.com and see how it fits your team like a glove.